Today's topic: how do you time your Botox and your eyebrow treatments for best results? Now, we don't offer Botox here in Browteak, Ireland, but it is so available for most women, and we need to make sure that Botox and your eyebrow tattoo will complement each other. So when it comes to enhancing natural beauty nowadays, patients have never had more viable options than they do right now. From chemical peels right through to medical grade skincare. And that happens right with Shirley next door. But we want to make sure that when it's professionally administered, your Botox and your microblading, which are two great powerhouses that can complement each other. That said, the timeline and order of which you receive both treatments can greatly affect the outcome. Therefore, I'm here to answer your Botox and microblading questions. So, questions like how long should you wait between each treatment, which you should get first. So I'm going to cover those now in a bullet point. All right, question number one: if you have Botox, can you get microblading? Answer: in the short term, yes you can, but we don't recommend it. I ideally recommend that you wait at least 3 months after your Botox to come and have your eyebrow microblading. And that is to reduce any risk of any negative aesthetic outcomes. For example, by relaxing the muscles in your forehead, Botox can very temporarily change the natural placement of your brows. Sometimes it might actually make them lower, sometimes it might make one of them higher. And eyebrow microblading is a permanent treatment, whereas the Botox will wear off. So ideally, the timing has to be perfect. Email us in advance if you want information. Number two: is it safe to get microblading after Botox? We say that there is no medical contraindications that would prevent you from pursuing both treatments. However, we strongly recommend that you wait for the Botox to dissipate or wear off to ensure that there are no complications. So we recommend that 3 month window, have your Botox, wait your 3 months, and then come and have your microblading done. Number three: how long after microblading can you get Botox? So we're another twist here. So we advise that you wait at least 2 weeks after your microblading appointment before getting Botox. This gives your eyebrows a chance to heal properly, and the order of treatments is also ideal because Botox notoriously prevents movement and it reduces sweating, both which are actually positives when it comes to preserving microblading results. Number four: what about microblading in combination with other injectables or dermal fillers, which we do offer here? So you might see that there's a bit of a reoccurring theme here so far, usually about 2 weeks. So there's a rule of thumb that we use to allow the body to completely react and get to know any injectable material. So there's no adverse effect. If there's no adverse effect to your filler or other injectables, go ahead and amplify your beauty with your eyebrow tattoo. We'll advise you anyway. So if you are ready to schedule in your eyebrow tattoo and your combination appointments with dermal fillers or injectables, well, we're here for you. As we mentioned earlier on, there's some general rules we like to go by to ensure that you get incredible results. Well, these treatments are bespoke in nature, and you are most probably a candidate for eyebrow tattoo and dermal fillers with just 2 weeks in between. So if you're unsure, all you have to do is book in a consultation and we can discuss and advise you accordingly. You can either book in to have a 50-minute microblading consultation or a dermal filler one, and all bookings are in the bio.